Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the iFrame tag. This is a tag that, as the name implies, can frame content. We give it a source for an external URL. That content is brought back and it's put into that frame. This is also a way for many service providers, typically video, to package up a player and deliver it onto your page. So let's go ahead and get started with a simple example. In this case, we're simply going to go out and bring back the content of an HTML page. We start off our iFrame tag, and in the source attribute, we're going to set the address, which is HTTP, and then just the address of the MIT website. We're then going to give it a width and height. See if we can get the autocomplete here. The width is going to be 500. The height is going to be 281, and put that outside the quotes. And then finally, we're going to specify a frame border of 0. Go ahead and close that tag. And now we're going to go ahead and load this onto the browser. And as you can see there, we are framing the MIT website within that frame that we've defined. The entire page is there, and you can scroll horizontally and vertically, but it is contained within that frame that we defined, which is 500 by 281. Now let's go ahead and take a look at a video from YouTube, and I've typed that beforehand. We can go ahead and paste it here, and you can note here that we're using the same tag, source, the same attribute. We then specify the video link, and I've gotten that from YouTube. And then, just as before, I specify width, height, and the frame border. So let's go ahead and see what happens when we reload this page. You can see there that I'm getting a Sesame Street video, and it is nicely packaged and embedded into the page. I can in fact click on the play button and I would be able to see this Sesame Street video. So let's go ahead and do one more, and this is for another video service. This is Vimeo, and as you can see here, the source is vimeo.com. Also, we're doing the same things: iFrame, source, width, height, and frame border. So let's go ahead and save that and reload the page, and you'll be able to see a third frame, and in this case it's just a video of our research, and you can also click and play just as we did with the Sesame Street video. So this is often a practical way of bringing in external content in a nicely packaged way and composing several services on your page, typically for a richer set of content. So with that, let me go ahead and stop. Go ahead and try these yourself. Go to YouTube, go to Vimeo, and put them onto a page. Make sure you can do the embedding and you can get the composed content on your own page. So with that, I'll go ahead and thank you for your attention and say goodbye.